Were you aware that pairing honey with certain foods could potentially increase the risk of cancer and dementia? Despite being a cherished gift from bees, honey's compatibility with different foods varies greatly. To fully reap its benefits, honey must be consumed thoughtfully, as improper pairings could adversely affect health. That's why I've curated this guide to aid in cancer and dementia prevention, unveiling both the detrimental and advantageous food combinations with honey. Greetings, everyone. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the like button now. Feel free to share this valuable information with your loved ones and acquaintances. Rest assured, I am committed to providing top-tier health insights. Did you know there exists a food that defies spoilage? It's revered as humanity's original gift from nature, so esteemed that ancient Romans likened it to the ambrosia of the gods, bestowed from the heavens above. Today, our focus is on the lusciously sweet and nutritionally dense honey. Crafted by bees from the essence of blooming flowers and enriched with their enzymatic magic, honey transcends mere sweetness, offering a bounty of amino acids, vitamins, and essential minerals such as iron and zinc, along with potent antioxidants. Beyond its role as a natural sweetener, honey boasts formidable anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer attributes, notably bolstering the immune system. Did you realize that there exist over 320 distinct varieties of honey across the globe? The diversity of honey types stems from the flowers that bees pollinate, encompassing Acacia, canola, chestnut, manuka, wildflower, and mixed flower honey, alongside sugar-fed honey, often termed artificial honey. The production of merely 1 kilogram of honey necessitates bees to visit a staggering 5.6 million flowers, honoring our indebtedness to these industrious pollinators for their invaluable contribution. However, it may surprise you to learn that despite its numerous benefits, honey can pose health risks when consumed alongside certain foods. Hence, let's explore the 3 least advisable food pairings for cancer and dementia prevention, as well as the 3 optimal food combinations conducive to promoting a longer, healthier lifespan. Firstly, the least advisable pairing with honey involves soy-based foods such as tofu and soy milk. Despite the widespread awareness of the perils of sugar, there exists a misconception that all sweet substances are equally detrimental to health. However, the composition of natural honey differs markedly from that of refined sugar. While sugar molecules necessitate enzymatic breakdown into smaller glucose or fructose units during digestion, consuming honey, a product already processed by bees, results in the direct absorption of its simple sugars. Consequently, honey serves as an immediate energy source, yielding a rapid surge in vitality and recovery upon consumption. Given its recognized health benefits, numerous recipes incorporating natural honey have gained popularity. Nevertheless, caution is warranted when contemplating the addition of honey to soy milk and tofu for purported health advantages. Despite soy products boasting a notably higher protein content than conventional dairy milk, honey contains organic acids in addition to its sugar content. The interaction between these organic acids and the protein present in soy milk can lead to the formation of precipitates, rendering the protein-rich combination less efficacious. Furthermore, soy is classified as a cold food, possessing cooling properties that counterbalance the hot nature of honey, which imparts warmth to the body. Consequently, the collision of these opposing energetic qualities within the stomach can precipitate digestive disturbances. Hence, it is advisable to avoid pairing honey with soy-based products such as tofu and soy milk. So, what makes an ideal pairing with honey? In my recommendation, milk emerges as the prime candidate. Unlike soy milk, milk presents an optimal match for honey due to its lower protein content, minimizing the potential interaction with the organic acids inherent in honey. Moreover, the health benefits derived from this combination are truly remarkable. In contemporary times, insomnia afflicts many individuals, underscoring the critical importance of quality sleep for overall well-being. Fortunately, this issue finds a simple yet effective remedy in the form of warm milk infused with honey before bedtime. Milk contains an amino acid known as tryptophan, which undergoes conversion into serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with feelings of contentment and happiness in the body. Remarkably, serotonin not only combats depression but also serves to inhibit the arousal hormone, a common culprit behind insomnia, thus promoting deep and restorative sleep. However, The efficacy of this process is hindered when milk is consumed in isolation, as the full absorption of tryptophan is impeded. Enter honey, which not only harbors tryptophan itself, but also facilitates its complete absorption within the body, hastening its activation. Consequently, the addition of honey to milk not only augments feelings of happiness and emotional stability, but also expedites the realization of sleep-related health benefits when compared to consuming milk alone. Another unfavorable combination with honey arises when it is paired with foods and beverages high in tannins, such as black tea, green tea, or unripe persimmons. Have you ever noticed a bitter taste lingering after steeping black or green tea for an extended period or biting into an unripe persimmon? This bitterness is attributed to tannins, which belong to the polyphenol family. Remarkable antioxidants renowned for their ability to combat free radicals, stave off cellular aging, and purge toxins from our bloodstream and tissues. While black tea, green tea, and persimmons boast significant health benefits owing to their tannin content, their consumption alongside honey, particularly considering honey's mineral composition, including iron, poses a challenge. When iron interacts with tannins, it gives rise to an indigestible compound that obstructs absorption within the body. Consequently, despite the purported health benefits of honey, pairing it with these tannin-rich foods may compromise their nutritional efficacy and impede digestion. To fully capitalize on the nutritional properties of each, it is advisable to consume them separately. Furthermore, have you ever prepared honey tea using boiling hot water? This approach may not be ideal. While honey teems with vitamins, amino acids, and beneficial enzymes, these constituents are exceedingly sensitive to heat. Exposing honey to excessively high temperatures can lead to the degradation of these valuable nutrients. To safeguard the health benefits inherent in honey, it is recommended to prepare honey tea using warm water, ideally ranging between 140 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, rather than boiling water. By adopting this method, you can savor all the health-enhancing properties that honey has to offer. Another remarkable companion to honey is cinnamon. Transforming a traditional black or green tea into cinnamon honey tea elevates it to the status of a supreme health elixir. Did you realize the immune-boosting potential of honey? Laden with essential vitamins and minerals, honey fortifies the immune system, shielding the body against external threats such as colds and viruses. Furthermore, honey harbors a natural antibiotic compound known as propolis. Here's a fascinating fact. Ever pondered why bees, densely clustered within their hive, remain remarkably immune to viral infections compared to other creatures? This resilience stems from their strategic application of propolis, a dense substance meticulously applied to the hive entrance, thwarting the infiltration of pathogens. Within our bodies, propolis serves as a multifaceted shield, exhibiting antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and notably anti-cancer properties. By impeding the replication and proliferation of cancerous cells and prompting their self-destruction, propolis emerges as a formidable ally in cancer prevention. Additionally, it exerts a favorable influence on cardiovascular health by curbing cholesterol levels, fortifying the heart and blood vessels, and thereby mitigating the risk of conditions such as arteriosclerosis and hypertension. The synergy between honey and cinnamon yields extraordinary results. The antioxidants abundant in cinnamon amplify the anti-inflammatory prowess of honey, mitigating inflammation within the bloodstream. Furthermore, the combined warmth of honey and cinnamon facilitates improved blood circulation, effectively addressing issues like cold extremities and muscle discomfort. Notably, cinnamon aids in regulating blood sugar levels when paired with honey, promoting a balanced intake of sugars. Embrace cinnamon honey tea as a potent conduit to harness these manifold health benefits. The final food item that forms an unsuitable combination with honey is onion. At one point, onion honey pickles gained immense popularity, believed to offer both extended shelf life and the health benefits associated with honey. However, contrary to expectations, the consumption of onions and honey together is strongly discouraged. Onions, recognized for their purported ability to cleanse blood vessels, contain a volatile compound known as allyl sulfide. Upon ingestion, this compound can instigate gas formation within the body, resulting in severe abdominal bloating and chronic indigestion when combined with honey. Furthermore, this combination may have adverse effects on eyesight, as the vitamins and phytochemicals present in onions can impede the activity of health-promoting enzymes in honey. To avoid such negative interactions and fully capitalize on the unique health properties of each food, it is advisable to consume honey and onions separately. In lieu of onions, the third and most favorable food to pair with honey is radish. Many individuals contend with colds during certain seasons, struggling to manage symptoms such as coughs and phlegm accumulation. Given that persistent coughing can strain the lungs and throat, and excess phlegm fosters an environment conducive to viral growth, it is imperative to identify effective remedies. A notable solution for alleviating coughs, combating phlegm, and bolstering the immune system is the combination of honey and radish. Did you know that radishes exhibit exceptional health benefits, particularly during the autumn and winter months? As temperatures drop, radishes acquire a sweeter taste and become enriched with additional nutrients. Incorporating these nutritious radishes into your diet alongside honey fortifies the lungs and throat, facilitating easier breathing and offering respite from coughs and phlegm. The spiciness characteristic of radishes is attributed to a component called cajun, which strengthens the throat and promotes the loosening of phlegm. Moreover, radishes are replete with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for bolstering immune function. When paired with honey, radishes form a synergistic combination wherein the dextrar in honey effectively suppresses coughs and mitigates throat inflammation, while simultaneously enhancing the palatability of radishes and optimizing the absorption of vitamins. To leverage the immune-boosting and symptom-alleviating benefits of honey and radish, consider preparing a concoction akin to tea or juice by combining chopped radish, including the peel for its abundant vitamin C and B content, with honey. Allowing this mixture to sit for a week facilitates the amalgamation of flavors and nutrients, resulting in a potent tonic capable of fortifying the immune system and addressing coughs and phlegm effectively. To sum up our exploration, we've identified 3 food pairings that should be avoided with honey, alongside 3 that offer optimal matches. Let's quickly recap, shall we? Firstly, it's best to steer clear of combining honey with soy-based foods such as tofu and soy milk. Instead, opt for pairing it with milk. Secondly, refrain from mixing honey with tannin-rich foods like persimmons or black tea. Instead, indulge in the delightful combination of honey with cinnamon to fully harness its health benefits. Lastly, rather than pairing honey with onions, opt for enjoying it alongside radishes. How does that sound? I trust that by making informed choices regarding food combinations with honey, you'll be better equipped to nurture your health. Thank you sincerely for joining me today. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with your loved ones. I'll continue to keep you in my thoughts, wishing you abundant health and happiness. Thank you.